To encourage and motivate the visually impaired, hearing impaired and others, the Meghalaya Progressive Special Educators Union, in collaboration with the Semam Meghalaya on Friday, held a ceremony to honor the disabled who have completed their studies in SSLC and HSSLC. Speaking on the occasion, Minister of Social Welfare, Paul Lingdor, expressed his pleasure to be present on this special day to honor the youth who are disabled but who have completed their studies. He also informed that the Social Welfare Department, Education Department and others have extended the support to them and tried to give their best.
Jala Meghalaya kalajam syafmat hawe di pun kue patki jala hakajing day bat kajing Krisyan kajing Arab ya kiparlok dalam kijing duna itu khatmat kubapi pi apriang bentan kajing Krisyan ke bagi ai limba ke Department of Social Welfare, ke Department of Health, the Department of Education, kini ke Department baru. Pergi pabun kijik jom ke yok ke kuat, jom ke jala ke jungi, mila persian dan ai ya ke babahatang.
In a vibrant ceremony